In this reaction, we have to find out the starting material Y. And this reaction is an example of Bartoli Indole synthesis, in which an ortho-substituted nitroarenes and nitrosoarenes, when reacts with vinyl Grignard's reagent, it forms substituted indoles. And here we have to find out the starting material Y, which reacts with three equivalents of Grignard's reagent, that is vinyl magnesium bromide, and it gives the substituted indole. And there are four options given in the question, and option C is the correct answer. That is 2-bromonitrobenzene. So let's see the mechanism of this reaction. So first we can draw the structure of 2-bromonitrobenzene. And in the question they have given three equivalents of Grignard's reagent, that is vinyl magnesium bromide. And this is the one equivalent of vinyl magnesium bromide. And the nucleophilic carbon attacks this electrophilic oxygen so that the pi bond shift towards the nitrogen. And the negatively charged oxygen is now bonded to MgBr, which is positively charged. And the oxygen is now bonded to vinyl group. In the next step, the negative charge on the oxygen shifts here so that this bond breaks and vinyl oxymagnesium bromide is eliminated. And we can write the structure of the remaining molecule. So 2-bromonitrosobenzene is formed. In the next step, in the question, they have given three equivalents of Grignard's reagent. So we can write the second equivalent of Grignard's reagent, vinyl magnesium bromide. And again, the nucleophilic attack takes place. So nitrogen now having negative charge. So MgBr is bonded to it. And oxygen is now bonded to vinyl group. Next step is 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement. 3,3 sigmatropic. So we can show the 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangement like this. We can number nitrogen and oxygen as one. So this is an example of Claisen rearrangement. We can show the bond shifting like this, and pi bond shifts here, and this bond breaks. Double bond N with negative charge, and NgBr with positive charge. C double bond O is formed. And next step, nucleophilic attack takes place. That is, this negatively charged nitrogen acts as the nucleophile and which attacks this electrophilic carbon so that this pi bond shifts towards the oxygen. So double bond N. So a 5-membered ring is formed in addition to 6-membered ring. Okay. So this is O minus and MgBr plus is bonded to it. Okay. In the next step, there is hydrogen on this carbon and the vinyl magnesium bromide, which is now acting as a base because it abstracts that hydrogen. Okay. So that this bond shifts here, so that pi bond shifts on the nitrogen. Nitrogen is now has negative charge. MgBr is bonded to it. And oxygen O minus and MgBr is bonded to it. Okay. And this is followed by acid workup, that is H3O plus. And the dehydration takes place. So we'll get the final product. substituted indole. Thank you.